Welcome, guys, to the DataMasters Resume Roast. This is, Daniel Bagaforum here, also working as an AI engineer for various startups here in the country. I'll be your host for today's Resume Roast. So, welcome, guys. Welcome to DataMasters, where data professionals find their voice. So, what is DataMasters first for the beginners, if ever? Can we type in the chat box if your first one is new
Sige
in
lang.
the chat? Yes.
Tangtangay.
Yes, your mic is open. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So if you're new to this organization, type in the chat box. New. This is your first event. Else, maybe you can type the first Data Masters event that you've attended. So mostly new. Well, Data Masters is a community where data practice and refine their technical presentations and interview skills. And we also invite experts to review our participants through structured feedback and collaborative learning. Together, we transform expertise into impactful stories. Okay? So, yeah. So, let's go through the house rules for this event before before the participants will start presenting their resumes. Okay? So, three basic rules nakasulat dito. 3 minutes presentation limit. So, all the participants, around 13 participants that have signed up, they're all limited to 3 minutes. And I want you guys to take responsibility in timing yourself. So, later, once we present, I want you guys to maybe find a timer, use your phone, and yeah, time yourself for 3 minutes. Okay. And then, of course, safe space protocol. We will be queuing everyone before they start presenting. So I will be calling each participant here. I have a list, and then you guys will, yeah, take the stage. Okay. For the audience and everyone, we also have to maintain a respectful and supportive tone at all times. This is a resume roast, but we still need to have professionalism at all times, okay? And of course, active participation. Everyone is encouraged to share insights, ask questions, and really engage with this event, okay? So the more people involved, the more learnings that we will have, okay? So, wait lang, make sure, okay. Yan. Miss Catherine, can you see my screen? I remember you're the one recording. I can see you here. Yes, okay. Looks good. So yeah, with these three rules, guys, I want you guys to type in the chat box agree if you agree with this one. Else, maybe may bago kayong rule or what. You can type in the chat box your suggestions for the next weeks to come. Okay? Looks like everyone's agreeing. A community here in data engineering Philippines, it's very important to harness, yeah, harness the early adoption of data engineering and AI in general here in the Philippines. And luckily, we have some industry pros, the experts, the people who work in the industry, to provide real-time feedback to people who are really looking forward with this industry, wanting to have a career as a data scientist, data engineer, AI engineer, and such. Another thing about this session is that this is a platform to highlight our skills and work. So yeah, and of course, alongside our experts later, who I will introduce, it's for us to help you guys tailor your resumes and get those specific data roles that you want. And of course, lastly, practice presentations. We're not just here to show off, we're here to provide everyone a safe space to practice presenting in front of a crowd. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So for our guest speakers or experts, no, we have two. We'll provide proper proper feedback for our resumes. We have Nina Comia. Is Yeah, are you here? Maybe you can speak. She is currently a lead data in. Yeah, are you here, Miss Nina? So yeah, okay. So Miss Nina is a lead data in who has extensive experience in data warehousing, ETL, and database management. She has a strong track record in helping teams excel in data projects. Her industry insights and expertise in data engineering make her an invaluable expert for tonight's event. So yeah, hopefully, yeah, I think she's here. And then for another expert, I can recognize his name here. And James, can you please open your mic, introduce yourself to everyone?
Hello, good morning, guys. Sorry, I'm on mobile.
Yeah, that's all right.
Thank
Yeah,
you, guys.
yeah. So Sir Ian James Bacaba is a chemical engineer turned business intelligence analyst. Wow. He is instrumental in launching the DataMasters program resume presentation, interview practices, and for tonight's event as well. He recognized that its value, DataMasters organization. He also emphasized that it helps data professionals enhance their job readiness. And overall, that's why he's here. Okay? So those will be our experts for tonight's event. And I guess we'll start with the first person to do a resume, to present their resume. Okay. So just a recap, everyone, for the participants. I'll also be timing. I'll also have a timer here, but I also want you guys to have your own timer because I don't want to interrupt your presentation because yeah, I'm sure nag-practice kayo niyan and gagalingan niyo yan, right? What we'll do is for let's say 1 minute left, I'll chat it in the chat box. And then if it's 30 seconds left and such, I'll just go into the chat box, and it's your responsibility already to make sure that it's 3 minutes Okay? Within 3 minutes because I think, yeah, marami kayo. Okay? Okay. So, one question here first. I just want to, hindi pa ako nakapag-submit ng resume. So, saan ba ako magsasubmit? So, this event is actually posted in the Facebook group. Yeah, it's posted in the Facebook group and it has this, what's this? Uh, Google Forms. And I guess that's where you will submit your resume. So for the participants here, just so you know, they they submitted their resumes ahead of time and we've reviewed them and such. They're- Okay. So maybe for the next weeks, you can try it out for this event. Okay. Okay, so for the participants, I want you guys to chat in the chat box. 3 minutes if you have already so readied your timer. Like may timer na tayo. So chat, yeah, first. Okay, so for the presenters, the 13 presenters, you can chat if you are ready already. Please chat in the chat box na 3 minutes if you have your timer already.
Dan, can you hear me?
Yes. Ano yan?
Can you call na lang yung nandun sa sa
Sige.
responses paisa-isa kung nandiyan sila and kung wala yung next person na lang. Thank
Sige.
you.
Okay, so if first presenter ko is si Siljan Parin. Nandito ba siya? I'll copy your name in the chat box and if you're here, please
Hello
comment.
po, nandito po ako.
Cool. Okay.
Narinig niyo po ako?
Yes. Okay.
Did you
So,
already see, nakita niyo na yung resume ko? Nasabit ko, naalala ko, nasabit ko pala.
yup. Kaya nakita ko siya sa ko, sa form. Yan.
Salamat po, at least.
Hi Dan, excuse lang, sorry. Can
Yeah.
I interrupt again?
Yeah.
So, sir, ang pangalan nito? Ziljan. Yung process will be you'd present yourself as an interviewee. So, represent mo yung resume mo and then the experts would comment kung ano yung mga kailangan i-improve. So, you have 3 minutes.
Mhm.
Since first time ko ito, so ano yung like para siyang mock interview, like ako yung i-interview o parang
Yeah, you can share your resume or your screen and then just talk about yourself.
okay po. Regarding my resume, I am aspiring to apply data analyst or data pili na ako magsimula na yun. Can can I start na?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. I'm Zildjian Iparini. I'm considered myself a career shifter. I have a combination experience working in a back office call center and virtual assistant, and I am aspiring to be a full time like data analyst or data engineer. In which I got interest in working as a data analyst when I was given the opportunity to work in a startup company. Data. For data ingestion, the title is misleading since it says data operations analyst. But what we're doing is data ingestion. We're using Excel, and it gives me an idea how why I pursue this career until I check community upskilling from Excel, SQL, as well as Power BI. And after my the startup
Sir
company
Zildjian,
was
sorry. Can you please share your resume?
saglit, saglit lang. Ano like parang isasabi ko yung sa resume ko o ano o parang nag-i-share ko lang yung screen.
I Yeah, you should be sharing your resume while talking about it.
Saglit lang paano phone yung gamit ko. Saglit lang paano pa mag-share dito?
Maybe the tech team can help na mag-share nung resume, Miss Kata or